I was just talking to a couple of my teachers. I was in construction, and he was like, you should try auto. I think it was something you might like. I took it, and I enjoyed it.
I always wanted to learn more about cars, how they work, and I also wanted to know how to fix my car and take care of it.
I've learned how to use the multimeter machine, the new alignment machine, just a lot of stuff that you can use in the mechanic field, and then just some stuff that you can also take with you in real life situations.
We probably have one of the most advanced alignment machines in town. This one, you don't have to manually put in any codes. You could just get a little barcode scanner and scan the car's VIN code, and then it's all set to go. And it's really easy.
We also got a new machine that machines rotors, so it makes them, so on the brake pads and brake rotors, it machines it to fine finish. And some of those are really cool.
I would definitely recommend it because you can take these skills with you in your everyday life.
I will be able to use the skills I learned for the rest of my life. Just simple things like how to jump start a car.
If you're thinking of going into the automotive trade and working on vehicles, this is very important to be able to get knowledge going into those classes. It will just make everything easier.
Intro to Auto and Advanced Auto, both super fun teachers. They're great people to be around, and they make me want to show up to class.
I think I can see myself working in this career field.